So hey, you have a biogas plant and want to integrate AI into it. So definitely stay tuned. We are now looking at our electricity, which pulls the data from our electricity fairy diary for the respective customers. It analyzes the data according to various criteria. I have now just chosen the topic of peak loads and will show you how this could work for you. Specifically, the AI automatically pulled the data from the customer dashboard. I set a time interval of 24 hours and displayed the total consumption of the biogas plant along with the stirrers in the fermenter and post-digester. And yes, the task was to identify the peak loads and analyze what percentage each of the stirrers contributes to my peak loads. And that's what he did. He spat it out to me here. And the customer naturally also wants some kind of report. And there we also have different options, once through the video function, but also as a reporting function. And I will show you that again now. The main causes of the peak loads in the biogas plant are attributed to the operation of the stirrers, particularly stirrer 1. The data analysis shows that stirrer 1 correlates most strongly with the peak loads of the overall consumption of the biogas plant at night. We can certainly and most assuredly output the data in a video format. This will likely happen on a weekly basis so that the customer receives a video file once on the weekend containing the key information, including outliers and, of course, improvements, such as how I can now reduce my peak loads. How can I drive the stirrers differently to avoid peak loads? But of course, it is also possible, as you can see here, to generate and receive the whole thing in the form of a report. And here, the individual stirrers are listed. And yes, you will be able to see exactly who is involved at the top and by what percentage, as well as which adjustments should be made so that the peak loads do not appear so high. So if you have a biogas plant and want to use AI, feel free to contact us either by email, through TikTok, through Instagram, or of course, by phone. And if you have any further questions, feel free to write them in the comments below.